In this tutorial, you will learn how to enhance your videos with a film grain effect to add a vintage or textured look. Once your project is ready, navigate to the Effects panel, search for Noise HLS, and apply Noise HLS Auto to your video with a double click. Change the noise effect from uniform to grain. You can increase the amount of grain using hue, lightness, and saturation. In this clip, I'll adjust the lightness. Setting it between 10 to 20% should suffice for most scenarios. You can also change the grain size and movement of grain by increasing noise animation. I will keep both these settings at default. Render the video to ensure smooth playback. You've successfully applied the film grain effect to your video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a like and remember to subscribe for more content.